So the Northern Guide Training Program is the new training program that we're starting this year. Its purpose is to train the next generation of Northern paddling guides. Tourism in the Northwest Territories is growing a lot. 95% of the river guides that work up here are from outside the Northwest Territories. And I guess in a nutshell, we need more Northern guides. You want someone with the right experience, the right certifications, and the right training, but ideally you want someone who knows the land that you're on, who grew up here, who loves the land and can share their love and their knowledge for the land with you.
I think it's really important for Northern guides to take their training in the north. I mean, we have a really unique landscape up here, we have unique waters, and so being able to be comfortable up here and learn the land first before you have to take out clients is really important. My name is Jihad Zentu. I'm from Fort Simpson and Hutsuke. Back here, depending on where the wind's coming from, we can stop in here, stop in here.
We have James McPherson here from the Sawtoo, from Sawtoo Adventures. It's been real awesome having him here and just getting to know him and having him bring his own experience, to this program has made it way better.
My name is James McPherson. I own Sawtoo Adventures in Norman Wells. Last year was my first summer season. There's a lot to learn.
The folks that are part of this program this year, the folks that I hope are part of this program in the future, they're just people that they love being in the bush. They love being outside. But I think it's a little more than that. I think there's also a desire to share what we have with others, right?
The life I want to live is a nice, peaceful life, not too hectic, and just be able to access the land at any time.
I think a lot of people are wondering right now what we're going to do after the diamond mines disappear, which at some point, of course, they will, right? And what's going to replace that? And tourism is one of the answers to that question.
I get to show tourists and I get to show people coming into our territory where I'm from and where my family's from and why I love it so much.
We've really run the full gamut of the skills required. We've done everything from looking at different whitewater features to lining canoes, scouting rapids, portaging.
We plan the trip, we plan the route, we look at maps. We're just getting all the fresh food, the perishable food, the breads and everything for the trip we're going on.
Getting ready for a trip, getting the equipment ready, organizing ourselves, making sure that we have our own gear.
I'm learning how to read water all over again.
It's been really good for me to learn how to find your own route and how to find your own campsites and look at maps and know what you're seeing just from a map itself before you get there. A lot of what we're doing is how I would run a personal canoe trip anyways. So the meal preparation is all delicious food that I'd want to take on a trip anyways. Setting up a tarp, setting up a comfy camp, making sure everyone's comfortable and has a job. It's a natural way to run a canoe trip.
In order to keep our planet the way it is, people have to come out here and enjoy and realize what the land is about. They're paying me good money to take them on an experience of a lifetime, and that's what I'm going to do for them.